going on, team? I hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope 2022 is treating you fantastic. I, on the other hand, have had COVID for the past 2 weeks. Still getting over it, so it might sound a little nasally. Sorry about that. But I got stuff to do, so show must go on. I got a busted Camaro that I need to get fixed. I got a brand new welding table that I am super excited to try out, and a new welding helmet. God, this thing is heavy. Instructions. I don't need those. Oh, it's heavy. Don't break that floor. What's cool about this setup is I have a choice. I can make it just a single tabletop and just leave it this tall and put it on top of my toolbox or something, but I'm just gonna make it a table. I don't know where the heck I'm gonna put it, but we're gonna put it there. One down, 3 to go. Am I doing this right? I hope so. Where do the instructions go? I have measured this using my calibrated eye. It's gonna fit perfectly right there, right next to my welder. It's gonna go right there. I'm gonna flip it over, and it's gonna go right in there. Perfect fit. No problems whatsoever. Oh God, this thing's heavy. The legs, don't bend the legs, don't bend the legs. Holy good God. Look at that. Perfectly doesn't fit in that hole. Shit. Fit perfectly, first time. I mean, look how level this is. This is perfect for welding things, perfectly level. That's actually not that bad. Now, that's a problem. So excited to have a welding table finally. I have never used one, and to be honest, in this garage space is probably a little much, but I'm okay with it. I'm gonna have to look up a YouTube video on how some of this, oh, these are magnets? You mean I don't even have to hold them there? They have magnets. These are threads for when you screw these in or something. Yay! If I'm not careful, you guys might start thinking I'm professional and actually know what I'm doing. I can't have that. The next thing I'm going to fix on this is going to be this alternator. Because if you get down in here, nice and tight, bring it up for you guys. I don't think my alternator bracket's supposed to do that. Got the bracket off. Now we need to fix this bad boy. I mean, I think it's a little broken. I mean, little bubble gum will fix that, right? Just stay perfect. Now, if I don't touch it, it's perfect. Leave it alone. Never do anything with it again. All right, so also got this guy clamped up in here. A little crack. See it right there. Was gonna grind it, but I don't really get a choice to that because I don't have anything that I can cut a groove in that with, so that's small. Just gonna weld it flat and hope for the best. Got a new welding helmet because my old one doesn't work no more, and I can't swap the batteries on it, so it doesn't shift anymore. So yeah, Amazon, YesWelder. Don't know anything about it. It's a little over $70. I'm excited for it. Nice wide view area, 4 sensors, everything, all the adjustments on the side. We're gonna find out how well it works because I don't know way to figure this out. First thoughts, I like this helmet. I thought it might be a little weird because it's a little narrow for my head. I got a very wide head, but a lot of hair. But it fits good. The adjustments work well. Nice big area. I can see very clearly through this. The color is good. I'm a fan. It's actually very comfortable. The pads on these things are good. Nice easy flick. Boom, trigger. Works fast. As a hobbyist for a little over $70 on Amazon, sold. This is gonna work out fantastic for everything I'm working on. And I love it because I can change the batteries on it when. Let me finish up all these brackets and go from there. Oh, I got spots on my table, no! Setup works freaking fantastic. This titanium welder, Klutch welding table from Northern Tool, YesWelder from Amazon. This setup, I think everybody who does any type of welding should have this thing in their home. This setup works great. These clamps right here to hold stuff down work so freaking good. And then the adjustability I have for all these different dies for doing things that are round, making stops here. Then also they have inserts that are threaded with magnet on it, so that way they stick to the table, so I can screw these screws anywhere I want on this table. That makes this table so versatile. To clamp this down as fast as I did and get it welded in production so much faster, huge freaking win. This welding helmet from YesWelder, Amazon, you guys killed it. First off, I ordered this thing last night, 7 p.m. It was here by 2 o'clock the next day. Now your mileage may vary on how fast you get stuff, but this was insanely fast. Fastest I've ever got anything from Amazon. And this is a welding helmet. Who orders welding helmets from Amazon? I mean, really. But it works so good. It's got 4 sensors in the front to sense when you're welding, and everything's adjustable right from the side. This thing worked good. I need to dial it in a little bit because it did blind me real quick. The delay's a little too short, or a little too long actually, and it blinds me a little bit when I first strike the arc, but visibility out of this, because it's nice wide for $70, this thing is freaking phenomenal. I recommend this for anybody who's doing any type of hobbyist welding on anything. This thing works fantastic. Maybe not work as so well for if you're welding for a job normally, but it worked great for me. I'm a huge fan. But if you guys want to check out the brackets I'm welding up and what I'm doing with the Camaro, be sure to subscribe. I got another video coming out with all of that. This is just a quick review on the stuff I bought to make all this happen. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.